In this video, we'll show you how to assemble the tall stand for the plug-and-fire kiln. The tall stand is an optional accessory that raises the plug-and-fire to a more comfortable height for loading and unloading your work. The tall stand includes 6 metal parts: the upper platform, the bottom shelf, and 4 sides. It also comes with 4 plastic feet. Step 1. Assemble the sides. Align the 3 tabs on one side with the 3 slots on another and snap them together. Repeat for the remaining sides until all 4 are connected. Step 2. Insert the bottom shelf. Fit the shelf between the 4 sides, reorient it, and place it down onto the 4 tabs. This is a press fit, so you will need to apply some pressure. Step 3. Mount the upper platform. Place the platform on top, aligning the 4 slots with the tabs, then rotate the platform counterclockwise to lock it into place. Step 4. Attach the plastic feet to the 4 corners. Lastly, the stand has a built-in mounting bracket for the plug-and-fire controller. Locate the 2 tabs on one side and use pliers to bend them outward. Once bent, mount the controller. That concludes this assembly guide. For more kiln tips, tutorials, and updates, visit L&L's website at hotkilns.com.